Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about YouTube AdSense monetization. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's talk about YouTube AdSense monetization. That is where advertisers pay to put their ads at the beginning of your video, and then Google will pay you when someone clicks on that ad. And the criteria has changed. When I started back in 2009 with my channel, which I knew absolutely nothing about SEO, I was just posting videos. There wasn't any criteria. You could just get paid right away, and I made very little, a few cents here and there. But then I'm not exactly sure when they changed it in the last few years. I had to stop all my marketing for quite a while, but I came back online last summer. I still work full-time as a physical therapist, but I told myself I wanted to do something that works, and so I hired a coach. I got into an inner circle, and I really had an intention of mastering YouTube marketing. Well, now what you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to apply for the AdSense monetization. And for me, once I got to that, it took about a week before I started seeing the money come in. So that was really cool. And just some inspiration for you. My goal is $10,000 a month for Google AdSense revenue, because that's going to be residual income. And I know someone, the Freedom Influencer, you might know who he is, but he still works full-time. He has over 300,000 subscribers now, but he still posts a video a day, and his Google AdSense revenue per month is $10,000. That's my goal, and I don't know how long it'll take me to get there, but pretty much I've met every single goal that I've set in my life, so I'll keep you posted on the progress. We all got to start out from zero, so just a little inspiration for you. Also, it's just some inspiration for you. I posted this video again just not too long ago about why you should start a YouTube channel in 2019. First of all, it's free. It helps you build a personal brand. Just really helps people to get to know you. You can get discovered because it's the second largest search engine. And a lot of personal growth. I mean, once you start a YouTube channel and you talk every day, you're just going to get better and better and better. Of course, you're going to be really horrible at the beginning. That's totally normal. And of course, the last one is money, which all of us are looking for. But I say the very first thing is figure out your target market, figure out what kind of problems they have, help them solve those problems, provide value, and then the money will come, and don't worry about that. How can you increase your Google AdSense earnings? Now, I posted this video not too long ago. I'm going to put links to both of these in the description below this video where I go into a little bit more depth. But again, you find problems that your target audience has, and you provide solutions to those problems. You can look at Google Trends and also do what's called launch jacking, where you get ahead of a product that's going to be launching and you get ranked for that keyword. You have to learn how to SEO optimize so that people will find your videos. You don't want to just be posting random videos and think that people will find you and that you'll get to those watch hours and those subscribers. This is what I'm working on. Write content for high-paying keywords that will attract high-paying ads. And there's a high search volume is what you want to look for, and also low competition. So let me show you my earnings here. Let's see. That's not it. That's not it either. Let's go to Google AdSense and start over here. So you'll go here. So what we're going to do is click on YouTube Analytics, and that'll take me so I can show you my back office here. And I got approved right here, 328. So that's 15 days ago. So you can see if you average 176 for 15 days, that's about $11 a day. So about $350 is what I'm counting on for my first month, which I think I'm very happy with, because that's money that I'm not having to work for. Of course, I did the work in the beginning to do the videos, and I'm continuing to post every day. But if you look at this last one here, it was just 2 days ago, today's the 13th, you can see that it had climbed up to $20 for 2 days ago, which had been Thursday, today's Saturday. And I haven't focused on the keywords so much because I really want to provide value, and then I figure out the keyword from that. But I did a video which I actually kind of messed up the keyword here because it was supposed to be best solo ad providers. That's what I optimized it for in my video, and then that's actually a better keyword, top solo ad providers. So if we go to YouTube, and if you install something called Keywords Everywhere, you'll be able to see, it's a free Google Chrome extension, you'll be able to see how many searches are a month and then how much the advertisers will pay for that keyword. So if we put in top solo ad providers, there's not much search for it, but top solo ad providers, hold on. Okay, it was best solo ad providers is what I meant. That's actually what I optimized it for. But you can see there's 50 searches a month, but look at the CPC. You know, there's just $2. So I think that's why this particular day, that was my number one revenue, was $3.66 from that video. So that's one thing that I'm working on that'll continue to improve. Of course, the more videos you post, the more money you're going to make. And I wanted to show you this that I actually forgot about. Place more ads in your videos. I purchased a small mini course, and sometimes you can just get like one key idea from a little course that'll help you make a lot of money. But he said that this is what has allowed him to make more than other YouTubers that have a lot more subscribers. And so he shared this secret with me. I'm going to share it with you. I'm actually going to do it on my last video that I put up here because I forgot to do that in the last few since I learned this. So we're going to go into Creator Studio, and I'll show you what to do. So you go find your video here. We're going to edit it. Go under Info and Settings, and then we're going to go under Monetization. And YouTube automatically just puts the ad at the beginning of your video, but you can insert an ad wherever you want to. And I would recommend you insert it right before people drop off. So find out how long people usually stay on your videos, which for me is right around 4 minutes. So I wouldn't put it at the end here because nobody would see it if people are dropping off before then. So I would put it maybe right before people drop off. Like, let's do right there. And then you just click on Insert Ad and then Save Changes. And now you're going to have the ad playing at the beginning, and then there'll be a little ad right there. So that's how you can make a lot more money with your videos and your ads. So I'm going to test that out, but I know this particular person that I purchased the training from, he said he makes like a lot more money than a lot of other people who just have the ad at the beginning. He said a lot of people don't even know that. So I'm going to tell you that yes, you can start a YouTube channel, but if you don't know what you're doing as far as SEO, what kind of topics you should post about, how you should set up your channel, how you should optimize your channel, it's going to be difficult to get to even to the point where you can have the monetization. But to have a group of people in a training that has allowed me to make a lot of money, not just through obviously Google AdSense because I'm just starting, but has made me a lot of money through affiliate marketing. Just in the last 3 weeks, I've made $4,000 on a new campaign that I started just because of YouTube marketing and people finding me. And then I've added in the Facebook marketing as well. But I've had I generate 15 to 25 targeted leads a day. They're free. So that's building my email list. And I've had $1,000 days and $2,000 days on autopilot from people finding me on my YouTube videos. So I wanted to share with you my #1 recommendation for learning YouTube marketing and SEO, and that's Josh Elder's Inner Circle. He's my mentor, and he's the person that I hired way back in the summer because I was serious that I wanted to increase my income and I wanted to eventually leave my job, which I love my job, but hey, I've been doing it for 29 years. So this is his Inner Circle. Let me show you here. This is the sales page for his Inner Circle, and I'm honored to be featured in the sales video. He uses me as an example of one of his students that has used his training to have some good success. Of course, there's people that started before me that are doing much better. Marissa Romero and I don't remember the other person in there, but there's other people that have gone on to just, you know, they're working the business full time now, which is really cool. That's my goal. So when you get in the Inner Circle, I mean, he has so much training in here. And actually, I want to tell you too that I've referred people to this Inner Circle who are also doing really well, and their videos are ranking and they're making money from their videos. So it's not just me, but it's people that I referred, and I like to kind of guide you through, like, because there's so much in here, like what should you do first. So I had somebody I referred the other day, and I told him start here, and then after you do that, go here, and then go here. And so he's got, since I've been through all this, I kind of know, like, you know, I wouldn't start with launch jacking. I would start with 0 to 10K challenge, because this is going to show you exactly how to set up a YouTube channel, how to optimize it, and how to build your brand. And then you'll go to this, and then this free YouTube free marketing is where I learned everything, besides the other thing that I'm talking about. But the tools, how to identify your ideal customer, your channel type, understanding keyword ratios. I mean, that's key, so that people find you, and just everything that I've been able to rank, you know, #1 for targeted keywords, how to do on-page SEO optimization. So it's not that much money. I mean, I paid $15,000 to get my master's in physical therapy, and I can make more money doing this than I can on my job, and a lot of days I do. So I would highly recommend this for you to get into YouTube marketing and then be able to do the YouTube AdSense monetization, because this is residual income that's coming in. And again, this is only going to increase here. Where is it? It's just going to increase over time, because I'm going to continue to get better and better, post more videos, get out better content. And this is, again, I'm earning this while I'm at work. So, and I know people who are earning $300 a day, and that's my goal, is, like I said, $10,000 a month. So if you guys found value from this YouTube AdSense monetization, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to learn more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also, if you want to get started in the Inner Circle with Josh and myself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video, as well as my #1 recommendation for making money online and offline. You can check them out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.